called pleural cavity. Reduces friction on lung surface. Remember this thing. Parietal pleura is in close contact with the thoracic lining, whereas lung surface. So parietal pleura is in close contact with thoracic lining and visceral pleura is in close contact with the lung surface. So this is what the pleura. Now regarding the chamber, right lung is three-lobed, left lung is two-lobed. Right lung is three-lobed, whereas two-lobed. Right lung is three-lobed, whereas left lung is two-lobed. Now, there is a point in the left lung called cardiac notch. The concavity in the left lung, a concavity is found in the left lung called cardiac notch. And the role of this concavity is to accommodate heart. In order to accommodate heart, such concavity is found in the left lung. Clear? Such concavity is found in the left lung in order to facilitate accommodation of heart there. Remember this thing. So remember this thing. What is the difference between right lung and left lung? Remember this thing. Right lung is found to be three-lobed. Left lung is two-lobed. The left lung has cardiac notch. The right lung doesn't have cardiac notch. Generally, right lung is broader than the left lung, and left lung is narrower than the right lung. So this is the difference between the right lung and left lung. Now, larynx. Now, how is lung formed actually? What forms lung or what constitutes lung? Sometimes the question is coming in the entrance. What form lungs or what constitutes lungs? Remember this thing. I have to rub it out. Branching network, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli comprises lung. And it is most important for the entrance. Directly it is coming in the entrance. Branching network of bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli of lungs, alveoli comprise the lungs, which are included in lungs. The branching network of bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli comprise the lungs. Clear? Is it clear? Now, up to this, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Can I rub it out now?
Yes, sir.
Completed? Now we have to start with the, wait a minute. Larynx. Larynx. Actually, what is larynx made of? It is a cartilaginous box. It's a cartilaginous box. It's made of nine cartilages. What is nine cartilages? One is epiglottis. Elastic cartilage. corniculate is also elastic cartilage, and lastly cuneiform. So total 9. 3 are even cartilages and 3 are
Sir, what is
uneven
the
cartilages.
last,
Clear?
the sixth one?
Is it clear now? Epiglottis, the first cartilage, role of which is to close the glottis during swallowing to check the entry of food into it. Role of epiglottis is to close glottis to check the entry of food into it during swallowing. Thyroid, cricoid, thyroid is the largest cartilage of larynx. Remember this thing. It is protective in function. Cricoid is there, below which one, arytenoid in both sides, and corniculate and cuneiform. So this is what about the cartilages. Is it clear to you? Just wait a minute. Is it clear up to this? Then I am coming to each of these. Wait. Okay, I am going to show you the diagram. Can I rub it out, please? Can I rub it out?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one thing I should tell us, those who are willing to attend the online class from this group, who are actually willing to attend online class? One is Surashish. Surashish, are you present?
স্যার আমার টাইম মিলবে না।
আচ্ছা দাও, টাইম মিলবে না, তুমি একটা কাজ করো, তুমি অপশন পাঠাও, তোমার ফ্রি ডেটস গুলো পাঠিয়ে দাও গ্রুপে, একটা গ্রুপ করে দাও অনলাইন কোচিং ক্লাস 11 দিয়ে। One group is made online coaching class 11. Everyone, those who are willing to attend the online class, please send your free dates so that one common platform can be made. Are you getting me? সুরাশিস স্যার এখানে কে ছিল আরেকজন?
স্যার আমি।
কৌস্তব, হ্যাঁ তুমি তোমার ফ্রি ডেট যা আছে এগুলো পাঠাও গ্রুপে।
আচ্ছা স্যার।
বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
সবাই যদি তোমাদের ফ্রি ডেট গুলো পাঠাও, ডিটেলস পাঠাবে ফ্রি ডেট, এভরি ডেট ওয়াইজ ফ্রি ডেট পাঠালে তো একটা কমন প্ল্যাটফর্মে আসা যাবে আশা করি। ক্লিয়ার?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
গ্রুপে পাঠাবে ফ্রি ডেট গুলো। Besides Sudashiri and Kaustubh, anyone interested in online in this group? You can raise your hand. Those who are actually from 20th of this month, offline classes will be started. Except Sudashiri and Kaustubh, anyone here of this group like to attend the offline class or sorry, online class? No. Okay, thank you. So it is clear up to this. Now I have to show you the diagram. Then comes to the layerings, structure of layerings. So this is the epiglottis. This is called thyroid membrane. The hyoid bone. The thyroid cartilage. Cricoid cartilage. So this is the view from the front side. This is the view from the front. You will get the epiglottis. And then you will get the thyroid cricoid. Only these are shown. This is the cricoid.
Sir,
Yes.
which part is glottis?
Here glottis is not shown. You need to go to another diagram to see the glottis. I'll show you, no problem. What is glottis? Another diagram I have to show you. I have to show you glottis, but here glottis cannot be shown in this diagram from front view. Now another diagram is there. From the behind, if you see, again you will get thyroid, you will get some retinoid also there. From the front, now from the behind, I am showing you. So here you will get the epiglottis. This is the thyroid, retinoid, cricoid. So this is how you can show this. Corniculate and cuneiforms are very short and very difficult to actually show these two. Here you may get the clear of this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the, so this is about the, what is called the larynx. Now you want another diagram I could show you the vocal cord. How can I show the vocal cord here? If I go to another diagram, This is the epiglottis. Here you will get the thyroid cartilage. Vocal cord. Clear? And these vocal cords these two cords are found in close proximity when they are going to produce sound. But when they are not going to produce sound, they are found to be away from each other. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you write down a few things I am telling you. Please. Epiglottis closes the glottis to check entry of food into it during swallowing. Okay? So the role of epiglottis is to prevent entry of any food grain into the larynx area. Clear? That is, epiglottis actually closes off the larynx. Epiglottis actually closes off the larynx during swallowing. Click completed?
Yes, sir.
Next, right, thyroid cartilage forms most of the anterior and lateral walls of the larynx. Thyroid cartilage forms most of the anterior and lateral walls of larynx. Next, the cricoid cartilage lies below the thyroid cartilage. The cricoid cartilage lies below the thyroid cartilage and its lower border marks the end of upper respiratory tract, and its lower border marks the end of upper respiratory tract. Clear? Marks the end of upper respiratory tract. Then that arytenoid cartilages give attachment to the vocal cords. Give attachment to the vocal cords
Sir, can you repeat?
Arytenoid cartilages give attachment to the vocal cords and to muscles.
Sir,
And to muscles. Next, corniculate. Cartilages are located at the upper end of arytenoid cartilage. Corniculate cartilages are located at the upper end of arytenoid cartilage. At the upper ends of arytenoid cartilage. And cuneiform cartilage connect the epiglottis to the arytenoid cartilage. Arytenoid cartilage. Clear up to this?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, beside this, now what is most important? So this is what about the larynx. Already I discussed about the voice box, and there is a term used here is called Adam's apple. You know, Adam's apple actually nothing but the in male when the larynx grows and becomes prominent. In male, the larynx grows and becomes prominent, and then it is called Adam's apple. And so this is up to the larynx, then to the trachea. Made of incomplete cartilaginous rings. Trachea made of incomplete cartilaginous rings. Why is trachea made of incomplete cartilaginous rings? Trachea is made of incomplete cartilaginous rings to prevent collapsing. Write it down. Trachea is made of incomplete cartilaginous rings to prevent collapsing. During inspiration, prevent its collapsing during inspiration. Trachea is made of incomplete cartilaginous rings to prevent collapsing during when prevents its collapsing during inspiration. So you need that, because otherwise whenever if it is made of complete cartilaginous rings, anytime when air is coming out, it gets squeezed or collapsed. That's why, so that it cannot be collapsed, the wall of the trachea is made of incomplete cartilaginous rings. Most important part coming in the entrance. You write down the trachea is made of incomplete cartilaginous rings to prevent its collapsing during inspiration. Clear? Is it clear up to this?
yes, sir.
And the cartilages, type of cartilages that form this trachea is actually hyaline cartilage. You need to remember. Tracheal cartilages are actually hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage, you will get hyaline cartilage in case of trachea, you will get hyaline cartilage in thyroid, cricoid, arytenoid. That you will get elastic cartilage also in case of epiglottis, corniculate, and cuneiform. So this is what trachea is also called the windpipe. The trachea is lined by pseudostratified epithelium, so that it can help in the movement. Pseudostratified ciliated. Remember this trachea is lined with. What should I have to rub it out? Hello? I have one. I have one right. Pseudostratified ciliated epithelium. Pseudostratified ciliated epithelium. Clear? So that it can help in the movement of foreign particles, expelled out of foreign particles. Is it clear to you now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to close now actually. Then next class will be on today, Thursday. Obviously, next class will also be on Sunday and also online. Next class will also be online. Remember this thing. In the meantime, those are actually I'm requesting you all. That means Surashid and Kostov to send your free timings in the group. Thank you all. Yes, anyone?
In between the larynx and the trachea, there lies pharynx.
Yes, what?
In between larynx and trachea, there lies larynx and
Between
trachea.
what?
Sir, larynx.
Where it is? I'm not getting you.
Sir, I'm asking, there lies an organ
Sir,
pharynx.
he meant it by larynx.
Oh, larynx. Yes. What larynx? What is the question?
Sir, after the larynx, there is another
Larynx.
organ.
Not larynx. It is larynx. After larynx, trachea start. That is larynx opens into trachea. Right?
Okay, sir.
Akashdeep?
Sir, I'm asking, after the larynx, there is another organ called pharynx, right?
Another one? Pharynx. Not after larynx, before it. It is not after larynx. Are you getting me? I am showing you one thing. Wait a minute. If it is larynx, then trachea just before larynx. Here you will get the pharynx. Pharynx is of two types. Nasopharynx and bacopharynx. It is just, if it is epiglottis, suppose this is the epiglottis, then here you will get the fittings. Are you getting me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to close now. Again, I'm telling you, next class will also be online, and after that, from next Thursday, it will be offline. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I'll be making everything. I have to go everything by Sunday. Okay. Thank you very much. That's all for today.